हेलो क्लास 10th, क्या हाल चाल है? पढ़ाई हो रही है? लॉकडाउन का पूरा फ़ायदा उठाइए और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सेल्फ स्टडी कीजिए। कभी आपने देखा है अचानक किसी गर्म चीज़ पे आपका हाथ टच हो जाता है? टच क्या होता है? एक्चुअली फिंगर में भी क्या? उसकी स्किन। पर आप हाथ पीछे कैसे करते हैं? एक पर्टिकुलर एक्शन से, जैसे कि अब आप इस वीडियो में देखेंगे कि जैसे ही आग अचानक आ गई तो हाथ एकदम पीछे को हो गया। राइट या लेफ्ट नहीं हुआ है, हमारी बॉडी हमेशा हाथ को पीछे को खींचेगी। भले ही वहाँ पे कोई गर्म चीज़ नहीं रखी थी मैंने, पर आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि कोई भी चीज़ जब भी गरम, ठंडी या नुकीली या कोई भी ऐसी चीज़ अचानक आप टच कर जाते हैं, पैर पड़ जाता है किसी कील पे, कांच पर, कांटे पर, या फिर हाथ आपके टच कर जाते हैं, तो एकदम से आपका रिएक्शन होता है। याद है जब हॉस्टल में ढोल डप्पा होता है या रात में आप वॉशरूम के लिए जाते हैं, दिल की धड़कन बढ़ जाती है, अचानक कुछ होने पे अपने आप मुंह से आवाज़ निकल जाती है। ये वो एक्शंस हैं विच यू आर नॉट थिंकिंग अबाउट इट, ऑटोमेटिकली योर बॉडी इज डूइंग दोज एक्शंस एंड not by that part which is getting the stimulus. For example, in this case, the finger was getting the stimulus. गरम चीज पे फिंगर टच हो रही थी और फिंगर टच होने के बाद मूवमेंट अगर हो रहा था तो वह आपके हाथ के ऊपर की मसल्स बाइसेप्स और ट्राइसेप्स का हो रहा था. It is the contraction and relaxation of the biceps and triceps which is actually causing the movement, and you are removing your hand. So what happened? A stimulus started from your sense organ. That sense organ can be your skin, eyes, nose, tongue or ear. Then it goes to the spinal cord with the help of a sensory neuron which take the information from the sense organs to the central nervous system. Then from this it is going with the help of motor neurons which are taking the information or rather order from the central nervous system and then going to the effector muscles which are actually causing a response. So a stimulus causing a response automatically without thinking about it is called a reflex action, and the pathway by which it is taking place, that is called reflex arc.
Reflex action. Objective: to learn the basics of reflex action and the path the impulses travel as they move through the nervous system. In the nervous system, reflex actions are ones which have an automatic and quick response to a stimulus. To see a simple reflex action, when a burning candle is brought near the hand instantly moves away from the flame. Such quick responses generally do not come from the brain. Instead, they arise from the spinal cord. Using our example of the candle, let's see how reflex action actually works. The stimulus, in this case, the heat from the burning candle, will be sensed by the heat receptors in the skin of your hand. The stimulus will trigger an impulse in a sensory neuron which, in turn, transmits the message to the spinal cord. In the spinal cord, the impulse will pass through an interneuron and cross over to the motor neuron. The impulse is then carried to the effector, which, in this case, is the muscle in your arm. Instantly, the muscle will contract and withdraw the hand. in response to the stimulus. This complete reflex action will happen so quickly that you'll pull your hand away without thinking about it. Because the path traveled by the reflex action from the sensory neuron to the motor neuron represents an arc, the action is often referred to as a reflex arc. In our example of the candle, the controlling center of the reflex arc is the spinal cord. Therefore, it is a spinal reflex. Reflex action canals occur in the brain, in which case it is known as a cerebral reflex. A common example of cerebral reflexes can be seen in the eyes. When a bright light is shined into your eye, particularly if the surrounding environment is dimly lit, the circular muscles of the iris will contract. Consequently, your pupil will become smaller, reducing the amount of light that is able to enter the eye. Reflex actions can be categorized as either somatic or visceral. Somatic reflexes involve the organs of the soma, referred to as the body. Such organs include skeletal muscles. Visceral reflexes involve visceral organs such as glands and smooth muscles. Summary: reflex action is an instant, automatic response from the nervous system to a stimulus. The path taken by the impulse of the reflex action is known as the reflex arc. Spinal reflexes are processed by the spinal cord. Cerebral reflexes are processed by the brain. Somatic reflexes involve skeletal muscles. Visceral reflexes involve smooth muscles and glands.